Hi guys, good afternoon. We've been to the kumkat tree. It's one of the farm dito sa Riverland that grows kumkat. Kumkat fruit family, and then they also have calamundrin. We spent for about half an hour. There's a lovely lady there. I think her name is Pat. Saan ba ako na? Ito, ay, sa kabilang side. Papakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili namin na mga product nila. So that's the kumkat syrup. Ito masarap. Then you can put this one on ice cream. Kumkat
In syrup.
Kumkats in syrup. You can see the fruit there. Nagami kumkat jam. This is sweet. Marumi kumkat jam is more of like a tangy, or they call it like a tart flavor. From the Riverland. Candied Nagami. And then obviously we cannot miss to get some chocolate. Choc Delights. So dark chocolate. In the middle of that, when you bite it, there's a marumi fruit.
Hello guys.
Okay, hello guys. Where are we going?
We're going to the 3 or 4.
Huh?
For bike.
We're going for biking, paddleboard.
Yeah, paddleboard.
Go and get the bike.
Let's go to the bike. I think after this we're going canoeing, right?
At 5 o'clock. We're going canoeing at 5 o'clock. Yeah?
Okay.
But now, going for the paddle bike.
Paddle bike.
You didn't wait for mommy. Huh?
I see.
Mommy's there?
Yep. Woohoo! So we're going to the 4 paddle bike.
Huh?
4 paddle.
4 paddle bike. So, one will be driving, one would be doing the paddle, and then
So maybe 2 of us.
2 kids will sit in front. That one. 4 chairs. Oh, I reckon the chair's hot.
So that's the swimming pool.
So, yeah.
So this is the swimming pool. Swim. Oh, the bumpy. So this is the swimming pool I swim. That's the water park there. I think the bucket is about to go. That's our cabin there. Yeah. The car. At the cinema there. You see a little camper van. I can see with my sister with a tent and with each water there. You see the water? Yep. There's the water. Daddy, when you go close to the boat, could you stop?
Yeah.
There's the red boat with white on it, a bit of white. And I like this boat, and there's a golden, like the speed, so could speed up, and let's keep going.
Okay.
Okay. Right now, guys, we will go for canoeing for an hour with the kids. So we had 2. We booked for 2 double canoeing. So 1 hour paddling. We'll see how we go with that. Okay. Get one. Mami, sabi. Bigat pala nito, no?
Nakakapagod
Sino magpupush?
Kasi gagalo na ang
Sige. Pupush ko na sila, ate. Sila, mami. Ha?
Oo, ate game. Okay na.
Sit back and relax lang, ha? At sabi, ha? Just in the middle, alright? Ha? Enjoy, ha?
Talaga lang ha. Oy, ready? Ba kasi sabi, mauna ka kaya muna, daddy.
Hindi yan malalaglag.
Ready? Dali, saglit. Busy yung dalawa.
Hindi yan malalaglag. Dito mo para smooth ng konti.
Sandali. Ay, taga lang. Sabi, alayo ni ate.
Sabi, hold, ha? Sabi, hold, ha? Sabi, hold, okay? Hold, sabi.
Smooth lang ba yan?
Smooth lang yan. Smooth lang yan. There you go, mommy.
Paddle. Paddle. No.
Oh my goodness. Alright, ready? Okay, ate, you right there? Huh? Mommy, you okay? Huh? You spinning around there? Huh? Okay, let's go. Yeah, so there's Mommy and Zabi.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. So that's what you can see. Yeah. I don't know what's the taste of the water. Mommy on the right hand side, huh?
Oh, Daddy.
So the rule here is you go just on the right hand side lang.
Ew, that's gross.
Huh?
Don't take
So we're doing the canoe now. It's really hot. So that's Hazel and Ate Ryan. Mommy there behind. Come on, Mommy. Woo! Let's go. So there we are. There's Mommy. There. That's our starting point there. So malayo-layo na rin. Come on, Mommy.
Dad, I'm touching it.
Come on, Mommy. Go, Mommy. Makakatulog tayo mamaya niya. Let's go. Hi, Sabi.
Guys, I touched the water.
Did you? I don't know what's the taste, anak eh.
Ew, Daddy, that's disgusting.
Huh?
Guess what, Mommy? Do you know what Daddy said? I wonder what's the taste of about this. This is gonna be it.
Oh, there's Mommy. She made it. Woo! Yeah. Alright, let's go ate. Ready? Sabi, can you say anak?
Good.
Ha? It's good, no? So nice, ang ganda ng area, oh.
Yeah.
No? May mga...
Hi, Ate.
Parang ang dramatic ng scene.
Oo, parang talagang Chinoa, nasa taas, oh.
Come on. Pillow.
Ha? It's nice?
Come on, do it.
Nice, oh. Look at the area. Ate, no?
The black swan, Daddy.
Where's the black swan?
Ay, sabi.
Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. They're flying, oh, anak, oh. Ayan guys, try the canoe when you go here at Big 4 Renmark. $20 for 1 hour. It's a nice experience. So 1 hour is sulit na. So we're heading back to the reception to return the canoe. Okay? Try this one when you go to Big 4 at Renmark. Alright guys. Now we're going to the last swimming by the kids. It's already 6 o'clock na. Full temperature is 21 degrees. It's cold. It's cold? Oh my goodness, it's cold.
Are you ready?
There you go. Oh my goodness, anak. I'm proud of you. High five. Oh my goodness. Relax. Relax. Breathe. Bubbles. Do the bubbles.
I'm going back.
Huh?
I'm going back.
Where you going back?
I'm going back to the beginning.
What beginning?
I'm going to the beginning to the swimming pool.
Which beginning?
I'm going there again.
Oh my goodness. I'm getting tired. Whoa. I'll see you there. You go for it.
Daddy,
Ah.
look. Look.
Mm.
Goodbye, suckers.
It's good. Ayan. So ang aming last night here at Renmark. Really good. Nag-canoe kami. It's a good experience canoe. Hindi lang namin makuna na maayos.
And remember, kids, don't ever do the flip I did in the swimming pool. Don't ever, ever, for real, no, don't.
Why?
Ever.
Why?
It's gonna hurt.
Why are you doing it?
Because I have a vest.
Ah.
But kids there who knows, be careful your head, or else if you don't know where you're going, bump your head.
Oh.
And you know, guys, before I don't know how to float, but today I know how to.
Come on. I know you're so close, so the pelican would fly. We're really close.
And I know why they have a really. There you go.
So we are here at the historical village at LOXTON. Still at the Riverland.
This is awesome. That looks like a village.
Mga compliant, no? Hello, how are you?
Good idea to come nice and early.
Yes.
Before it gets too hot.
Oh no, it's gonna be hot today.
So how old are these children?
3, oh no, 3. 4 and 6.
So massive safe family today?
Yeah.
Okay, and we take cash. Lights are on. A lot of venues have an audio that comes on just by walking in, so don't be spooked when suddenly someone's talking to you. Can spook you a little bit.
Dad, look at this dog.
I know. So they have the costume for dolls. Yeah. 1880. Look at that. It's a christening gown, 1880. So that's more than 100 years old.
I don't know
Oh my goodness. 1883. It's a wedding. Oh my goodness, it's a wedding dress. Yeah. One is
Made in Germany.
made in Germany.
100-year-old.
100-year-old doll. 1898. Wow. Wow. Yeah. So these are hat pin collections pala yan. Yun. Yung ganong. No worries.
One that they can sit on and they pedal and go round and round.
Oh, that's nice.
Here, it's got a slit.
So that's a pie cart. I don't know how old is a pie cart. Pero operational daw yan eh. Oh, look oh. Ganyan dapat ang food cart natin, mami. Look at that. Look at the plate number. Look at the regio number. Wow.
Pwede naman pasukin eh, diba?
Pwede lang pumasok dyan eh. Pioneer Memorial Chapel. Yeah. Oh, yung mga old ano nila. So what's inside there?
Parang kinikilabutan ako sa mga...
Yeah. Okay. On. You get the old tractors and stuff that they use, I think. Okay din tong tour na to. What is this? What naman pala? International Corn Crusher. So they have few information there if you're interested sa mga ganitong machinery. Mga machine lang yun. Shear. Yeah, kung interested ka sa mga ano, yung mga
Pero hindi na siya gawa eh.
hindi na. Kidney bowl.
Tayo di ba wait lang. Tayo di ba in-explore natin yung ganito? Yung mga stairs, hindi sila nakakapunta ng ganito dito.
Pag sinabi ko, talaga?
Oo, meron pa lang diba?
Doon tayo mga shop, no? Likod lang to, mga machine lang naman to, kung interested ka sa mga machines noon. So this is
Obtainable here.
ha?
Pero available. Obtainable.
Obtainable here, ha?
Hindi tagal na pala talaga lang.
Obtainable. Okay. Ano yan? Petrol?
Bang. Ito bang.
Wow. That's a petrol?
Ito. Oh, yeah, petrol. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Angat. This one? No, the other one. Yep.
Oh.
Huh? Yeah, no? How we go inside the Commonwealth Bank? Oh my. What is that, Anna?
They have little tiny guys like that.
Maybe that's how small their toys is.
And then that's how big the toys were.
Could be. Yeah. Nasaan? Vacuum cleaner?
Diving?
Oh my goodness.
Oo.
Yung nasa dulo na yun?
Tapos may ano na din sila, non-automatic. Uy, yung calendar.
Ha?
Calendar.
Anong
Matanda
calendar?
pa sa'yo. 1925.
Etong calendar na to, 1925.
Yung isa, 1923.
Oh my goodness.
Ate, look.
Ito, 19.
Daddy,
23.
Papa, ano, ito, tingnan mo.
That's 1923 calendar, ha?
Yung fridge nila.
1953. Oh, look at that, oh. Papa, look at that. Sa classic, Wrigley's. Wrigley's. Juicy fruit. Oo. Different, delicious. Anong year to, no? Ito, fridge. Freezer. Jolly ball was used to be one ball heated. Fireball. The cold ball was then placed inside the refrigerator cabinet where it remains cold for about 24 hours. Then the cycle had to be repeated. Oh my goodness.
Palmolive.
Where at? Oh, yeah.
Tapos
Wow.
Where's the big set? Ano, Nestle?
Nasa second, ano.
Ayun yung big cold tablet.
Wow.
Palmolive Colgate. Ganito ba yung shop na yun?
Baka ganito, mami. Baka ganito talaga yung shop na.
Baka ito yung ano na chemist.
Oo, no?
Or mini grocery. magkasama ang AU post. Ano? Kasi ang post office is where yung regulars. PK, Joseph Road, Riverland.
Oo nga, ano yun, no? Taas. Wrigley's Joseph Food Chewing Gum, Wrigley's Spearmint, at saka PK Chewing Gum. Pieces Nervous Tension. Ganun na. Wow. Grabe. Yan na, tinan mo yung luma nilang lalagyanan ng ano, oh. Yung lumang lalagyanan ng mga letter to. Ano, kung anong year yan.
How will who passed away in the olden days?
Wow. Come on.
Ano daw yan? Bakit natakot naman ako lang?
And then yung switch nila ng ilaw.
Oh, sorry.
Yan yung switch ng ilaw. Yeah. Yeah, we go with the bank. Inside the bank, ate. Sige na. You tell them what you can see in the bank, ate. Hold it, 2 hands. Sige, what you can see in the bank.
I can see a lady. I don't know what she's doing there. And because we were not born in the olden days. So this is what they did before when this was.
This is a bank.
So this is when the people were here. Like up there. You'll see up there. And that's before when they passed away. So this was a real city, a real town. And what I could see is like a jail.
So, this one naman guys, this is a bank. Ano ba to? Parang passbook. On the year, it's 1935. So, that's there. Ayan. 1935. So, ganyan ang passbook nila. Debit, credit. Teka, the good handwriting. Ayos ang kanilang handwriting, but di ko maintindihan yung kanilang ano, how much money they got. Let's go to the bakery. Abi, Mami, let's go to the bakery. Go.
Pastries and cake. Also, lack of refrigeration means bringing the correct quantities of flour, tepid water, yeast, salt, and lard.
Yeah, same mixer. This one is a hand-operated water pump. The cellar. Oh. Oh, it's cold. Nice here. It's cold. Look at that. It's cold, no? Settler's hut.
To 1881. The village hut stands in remembrance of my time in Loxton and is typical of an early settlers' quarters in the late 1800s. The site of Loxton was once part of a large pastoral lease called Penong Station. 125,000 hectares. It was here that I was a boundary rider for Mr. Murray who owned Penong. Wild horses, cattle and pigs kept me busy as I checked the fences and stock. It was a huge job that left my brave Mary into her own defences for weeks on end within our tiny hut. From the time that I lived in on the bank of the river, the area
Oh.
You know they're like,
Yeah. You're imitating their nose.
So now this is ano to? This is their shearing shed. The lamb. Lumang gamit for shearing.
Mga jumper na.
Look at the scissors ate.
Dapat lang kasi once lang yan eh. Oh, ang dami. Where did na ano doon?
That's it. That's one off.
That's one. That's siren there. And that was moved from up the street down to here.
And that's it until it turns off. Just one blow.
Yeah. We only had the power on for 5 seconds. Just restored the motor on that Dennis truck.
Oh wow.
And then we got the case.
How old is this Dennis truck, Tony?
Oh, that's, here we are. 1912. And see, it's got solid rubber tyres. Absolutely solid rubber tyres.
Wow.
And we've got that going now, and that's going. The case here will come out, running as well, case buckboard.
Yep.
That's a 1920.
It's beautiful.
26, yeah.
1926.
Yeah, 1926, that one.
You got the old chill
Yeah, we got
signage, huh?
Yeah, yeah. There's another view of the 39 Dennis.
1939 Dennis fire truck.
Yes. That's only a 4-cylinder, that one.
Jeez, that's still working. Wow. Then you got your motorbikes.
Yes, an old Bella set.
Jeez.
Label's gone away from that one. They must be still redoing it. That's
And
an old Dodge Brothers.
Dodge backboard.
Yes, 1926.
1926 Dodge backboard.
Yes.
Look at that.
Yes, beautiful.
Get the old signage. I love the old signage there. Look at the shell. And that, is that the old jerry can?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's well, they're oil cans. That's where they used to get the oil and that.
And then that's oil cans as well.
Yes, that's right.
Oh my God.
See, we had the old steel oil can. Now you get it in plastic.
In a plastic, yeah.
Yeah.
This one, you want this one?
It's nice.
And then we've got the other one, the Chevy truck here that goes as well. We'll bring you that out Saturday as well.
And it's registered, this one, eh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, she runs quite well.
Jeez.
Enjoy yourself anyway.
Thank you.
No worries.
So now we're in the 1917, the Institute. Parang museum yata nila to. Town institutes were social hubs of small rural communities like LOXTON. So if they have a social gathering, they go in this area. Don't touch it. Up, up, go back. Up, go back. Up, go back.
Tapos dito sa akin. Don't sit.
So this is their jail, or prison. Sa loob ng prison may maliit na window dito. May bed. Very hard door. And that's their bed for the jail. And that's their bag. God, that's an old leather bag. This is like an old leather bag. Oh wow. Look at that. Really old. And they have the basketball here. Look at that basketball. Oh my goodness, that's heavy. That's a heavy ball. Look at that basketball. It's a pure leather. Grabe. Let's see if it's gonna bounce. Oh wow. Alright. Oh my goodness. Heavy? Oh my, is it heavy? Oh my goodness. That's an old iron, ano?
I feel it.
Huh? Is it heavy? Oh man, it's like a weight. This one. Oh my goodness. Ang hirap mag-iron dati. Oh!
Very heavy.
You okay? Heavy? Huh? On the way home. So, we are at Banrock. We're gonna have a lunch here, guys. We're tired and it's hot. Let's see if they have a good place here. So we got the gang here. Careful. Oh yeah.
Cheers to the one, the big one.
That's cheating. What do you mean? What do you mean? No. You got
Hindi pa yung walking point. Kasi sabi ni Jeff,
No. Video, guys. Did I say mayo? Mayo. The magic of mayo makes Abby scared. Mayo.
Kasi nga, ano na ako eh,
Mayo. What do you mean?
medyo mga
I'm copying the vlog from last time. And I know it's so long for the vlog because Mommy does have business. And today we don't have business because we went traveling today. Starting that is making mayo. And look at the view. Look at the view.
Kasi ano
Look at the view. There's a river there and there's some bushes.
kusin lahat
There, and I see that
sama sa isang
and ducks there over swimming in the lake. I mean, I could call it.
No.
And there's trees. And I think that one is beach.
Yep.
That one. And I'm so excited to go to Tia Jin's house.
Okay.
And our house is apparently we're living there now. Yeah, and we're not living there. Our house is almost finished to level a house.
Whoa.